It's Kathy.
Hey!
Oh my God. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I was there before, but I think there was no audio from your end.
Yeah, that would have been the best thing possible. Now that you have me talking, you're going to regret this. But
I stood alive yesterday and I was like, wow. Wow. I was like, wow.
he talks so much. Why am I even going live? But let me do this formally, because if you've seen the one yesterday, you would have seen that the first part has to happen formally.
हाँ, ओके ठीक है चलो.
ठीक है. तो अब तक जो हम लोग लाइव कर रहे हैं, उस पे काफी लोग आ चुके हैं. You know, there has been an actor that has come. There have been sports people that have come. There have been people from different walks of life. But
Okay.
पहली बार ऐसा होने जा रहा है.
पहली बार.
That we have a person with a sui dhaga.
With a suit धागा. अच्छा.
We have a tailor with us.
Wow. Wow. ये बचपन में जोक सुने थे. बहुत टाइम बाद सुना अभी.
Listen,
But this was a very bad one, ना? This was a really bad one. स्कूल में थोड़े भी better होते थे. कपड़े वाली सिलने वाली टेलर. I remember.
तो देखो, now see, you must understand my intelligence level is like a first standard student. So the jokes that you're going to get for the next 20 minutes are like this only.
चलो ठीक है, I'm ready.
ठीक है. So
I deal with all sorts of people in my life, so that's fine.
Listen, I only pretend to be dumb, otherwise I'm very smart.
Yeah, okay.
And I have an IQ which cannot be measured by EQ.
Okay.
So correct.
Okay.
The thing is, but welcome to the show. Welcome to the show, Kuch To Karuna Niti. It's so nice to have you. I've heard so many things about you.
And I hope all good things.
No, अभी वो टेली चक्कर पे वो चीज लिखी थी, वो आपने पढ़ी?
क्या? कौन सी वाली चीज?
जो आपके बारे में लिखा था.
अरे मेरे बारे में बहुत कुछ लिखते हैं, इसलिए बोल रही कौन सा वाला? Which one?
वो जो गॉसिप था.
कौन सा वाला गॉसिप?
नहीं, ऐसे मजाक कर रहा हूँ. सिर्फ अच्छी चीज सुनी है मैंने. But it's very nice to see you here. And let me start with the first question.
Okay.
What is a normal day in your life look like during quarantine?
Normal day, I wake up at 8 in the morning and I drink garam pani 1 liter. Okay, and then we talk.
मतलब हर रोज 1 liter, right? हर रोज
1 liter.
measure करके 1 liter.
I have bottle, हाँ, 1 liter वाला measure. In the morning before 12 o'clock, I think I finished 3 liters of water only. Yeah.
Very nice.
And
पानी पीने के अलावा क्या करते हैं?
हम ब्रेकफास्ट बनाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम सोचते हैं कि क्या खाए हम लंच में, तो वो प्रेपरेशन हम करते हैं. और आजकल हम खाना बनाने लगे हैं, अपनी मम्मी की हेल्प करने लगे हैं. फिर उसके बाद बर्तन भी धोते हैं, हम टेबल भी सेट करते हैं और सब झाड़ू पोछा. एक तो दिस हाउस इज सो ह्यूज, तो झाड़ू पोछा. आई रिमेम्बर, like I always tell my mom, you know, I just do the hall. I'm like, my Bombay house is as big as this one, you know, room. I was like, my God, these rooms are so big, and I get so tired, and then I'm dead, I think, in the afternoon. And then at 3:30 we have a thing. So after lunch we take a break and we watch a movie, and that's how our day goes. Like 3:30 to 6:30 we're watching some movie, something. Then we go outside on the balcony and we're chilling. And then again now for dinner preparation. So that's why I prepared dinner already, because by 7:30 I eat we all eat food.
By 7:30 every day you eat.
Every day I eat food.
Like proper routine that you've made.
I'm very
honest, sweet girl who's made a ekdam day ka chart.
Yeah, it's not very fancy. I am not like, you know how everybody like, let's do the, like, you know, like people are working out and all. I swear I tried it for 3 days, 4 days. I was like, yaar, motivation nahi aati andar se. I swear it doesn't happen. Like people are doing painting and all. I was like, मेरे में तो talent ही नहीं है. मैं कहाँ क्या करूँ मैं? Like seriously, I don't have the talent. I can't paint. I think I can cook. I'm doing that. I can't do anything else. I'm like, what do I do?
Listen, आपके पास कुकिंग का तो टैलेंट है. मेरा कुकिंग का टैलेंट कभी आप देखोगे तो then you will realize saying why I should not cook.
So when are you calling me for lunch or dinner? That's the question.
As soon as quarantine ends, the first guest I'll call is you. The first person I'll call.
ये तो बताओ, where are you? Are you in Bombay or Delhi?
I'm in Bombay.
Bombay. Oh, and where do you stay in Bombay?
So I live in this very urban precinct, very छोटा सा जगह, which is called South Bombay.
South
ऐसी
Bombay. Where in South Bombay?
छोटी सी जगह है called Malabar Hill. बहुत
Oh my
बहुत
God! Hey, posh,
बहुत
posh, posh.
बहुत ही
बड़े लोग, बड़े लोग, बड़े लोग.
बहुत ही छोटी सी जगह है. इनफैक्ट my room का size is starts to finish. It's 100 square feet
Yes.
का, it's 100 square feet का room बस.
I think Bombay houses are small because Delhi houses are so huge. I'm telling you, this one room I do my drawing room and I'm like, मेरा पूरा Bombay का घर ही हो गया यार. I was like, I'm dead.
Now I can imagine, yeah. But tell me one thing. So apart from cleaning and doing this, your daily routine, आपका, you said you watch a movie every day, correct?
Every day. Today we're
Every day.
seeing Shooters. It's
Today
a
you're seeing
series.
Shooters.
Yeah. Yes. It's a series and it's damn nice.
Netflix.
Netflix.
So it's Netflix and chill barabar, like proper.
Yeah, not the literal sense, but but yes, Netflix and we're just chilling. I think yeah. Now the thing is, it's just new to my parents. You know, Prime Videos, Hotstar, like. And I've connected the laptop also. एक तो एक ही laptop है घर पे, and then you know connecting everything and all. So they're just so excited. चलो
सब
चलो
झूठ
देखते
है.
हैं.
सब झूठ है. I know there must be at least 10 laptops that you have.
No, they're not. See, my laptop is in Bombay. Dad's laptop office से हमने मंगवाया because he leaves his laptop and all there.
हाँ.
And then we like literally like you know before the lockdown and all. Actually, after a few days, he wanted some papers. I was like, go get your laptop and come. Because otherwise TV में इतने बेकार चीजें आ रही थी. It was really bad, yeah. TV is like
TV is
like,
very
I
bad.
work in TV,
No, TV is
but
you know, अरे ये तो आपको बोलना चाहिए. This will अभी तक see the gossip
my
corner
God.
had nothing.
पैर
But
पे खड़ी कुल्हाड़ी मार दी मैंने.
breaking news at 7 o'clock in 12 minutes.
Guys, I can literally mean that. I do. There's just nothing to watch. We don't watch any serials. बीच में उठा के नहीं होता है. फिर movies भी अच्छी नहीं आती. So that's why.
आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं कि आजकल के सीरियल अच्छे नहीं है?
नहीं अच्छे है, but I don't follow them ना. तो ऐसे बीच में उठा के आप कैसे serials देख सकते हो? समझ ही नहीं आएगा क्या हुआ है.
अभी आप diplomatically answer मत दीजिए.
Listen, my people are with me and they know me. Okay, I always say I don't watch serials, but I'm a TV actor. Yeah.
Oh, well, this one was fun, yeah. But tell me, Acha, there are kids who are going to watch this, who are watching this. Lots many. And what is that one thing that you will ask every kid to do sitting at home? Every kid should do this one thing.
I think have patience because I'm losing it also. Now I'm like losing. I think you should have patience and be with like I know it gets a little frustrating at times. बहुत लड़ाई होती है, arguments because you know you just have like 3 people in front of you or 4 people or whoever. And it gets a little frustrating. I think you just need to calm yourself and I need like I would want to tell everybody because I'm going through it too. I'm like मैं irritate हो रही हूँ अभी आजकल. I need to. This is not me. I need to calm down. Why am I getting so irritated and agitated about anything? ठीक है कर लूँगी ना. And I'm like, this is not how I should talk, you know, to my parents and also that's why I was like, I need to calm down and I will tell everybody else too. So
what's the secret to calming down? Meditation.
मेरे को तो रूम में अकेला छोड़ दो मैं calm down हो जाती हूँ. I start watching something and I'm like, okay, cool. Or I listen to songs. I think that calms me down.
Who's your favorite singer? Tell me.
अमित त्रिवेदी. आज मैं पूरे गाने पूरे ऐसे मोड पूरा सुबह को ऐसे था like full अमित त्रिवेदी. The entire that I think 7-8 minutes का song like something on YouTube he has like a video. I was like, wow, this is so awesome.
Have you heard this singer? बहुत ही बड़ी गायक है. बहुत ही बड़ी गायक. मतलब वो जब गाते तभी the entire nation waits for him to sing. Millions of people are waiting for him to sing his first song.
Who?
You're talking to that same. You're talking to the person who the nation is waiting for.
You. गाओ ना फिर, please. Nation wants to hear.
मैं गाऊंगा.
Nation wants to hear also. Republic Channel 9 o'clock. अर्णब गोस्वामी.
Listen, ऐसे branding मत करो. पैसे नहीं मिलते हमें.
पर मैं branding कर रही हूँ ना.
हाँ तो आपको पैसे मिल रहे हैं? The 50%.
No, but I like doing free branding. Like, why not?
I'm sorry, what?
I said I like doing free branding. Why not? किसी का भला हो तो क्यों ना.
Correct.
तो कौन गाने वाला है?
This platform is called IIMUN.
Yeah.
Correct. Remember this. Next time when they call you on Republic,
No.
that time.
No. Listen, it's like I love watching Big Boss, but I'll never go inside. So it's the same thing. Like,
So basically, you're saying you don't like Republic TV.
no, I like Republic TV. Watching kind of talk. I will.
अरे मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बट मैं आपको सीरियस क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. अच्छा मुझे बताइए आप do you read often?
No, I don't read.
You don't read. So
I'm the last person to read anything.
So your favorite source of information is basically learning or information or having fun is television, like 99% of us.
Television or my mom. Like, I always tell mommy, please keep me updated. Because I have these apps that, tell me. Because sometimes I you just scroll. Tell me, mommy, something's happened in the world. Like, you tell me. Because I don't watch television like that. I don't have the news on and all here. Because she's there and everybody's always watching news. But otherwise, no. I have no source of information. My mother, like, कुछ भी हो ना, please बता देना.
अच्छा, तो आपको ये पता है बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट जो किया प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अभी 15 मिनट पहले शो के बिफोर दिस?
कुछ नहीं किया 15 मिनट पहले.
सच नहीं किया.
सच झूठे. इतना मेरे को पता है because I am like, oh my god, PM is going to talk today. ये what's he going to say? I'm very excited. Okay.
अरे उन्होंने सरप्राइज अनाउंसमेंट किया था 30th मई तक लॉकडाउन है.
No problem. मुझे कोई no tension.
तो मैं इतनी शराफत से इतनी अच्छी तरीके से आपको बता रहा हूँ, but anyhow.
But I'm okay with it. I'm enjoying. I'm having family time. I'm taking it very positively. Yes, I get a little bored at times, but I'm okay.
Whenever you get bored, you tell me, saying whenever you get bored, you come on a live. I'm pretty sure you'll get entertained. But let me ask
Listen, today I straightened my hair because I was looking crazy. Okay, because I was like, let me look like a decent person. I'm wearing my mummy's dress. I hardly have clothes. Hello, mummy, कुछ कपड़े दे देना पहनने के लिए, please.
Listen, because of you guys know you and your friend Parth, who's going to come immediately after this.
Yeah.
I swear I had not shaved today because I was like, अच्छा चलेगा, it's just only that much hair that grows any which way. So then suddenly आप लोग के fan pages तो मतलब करीबन 250 fan pages, they're DMing me. और मेरी life में 250 लोग, they've never messaged me in my life ever.
We actually Manan, that's Manik and Nandini, like the characters we played, that's what we have done so good that we get a lot of love from them. Like, it's because of them we are so known and famous. Otherwise, कोई नहीं जानता हमें. मतलब मुझे तो नहीं जानता. I will talk for myself.
To all the fans of Neeti and Parth out there, hello. There's another person who needs a lot of love. Always looking for love and affection.
Who's this?
But no, but honestly, आप दोनों की वजह से मुझे शेव करना पड़ा. अभी now let me ask you, अभी बहुत मेहनत की है मैंने, तो मुझे last चीज पूछनी है, last set of questions before we open it up to the audience, okay?
Okay.
तो ये 21 questions करके कुछ चीज है.
Okay.
हाँ, तो मैं इसमें 21 questions नहीं पूछूंगा, but it's on the basis of 21 day lockdown.
हाँ.
जी.
Okay.
तो ये it's a rapid fire.
हाँ जी, चलो.
Your favorite animal?
Doggy. Squirrel. No. Doggy.
Squirrel को कैसा लगेगा?
नहीं, that's okay. Squirrel समझ जाएगा. No, it's so tiny. What do you understand?
अच्छा, okay, tell me your favorite co-star.
Favorite co-star Parth.
Okay, favorite female co-star.
Shubhavi. And Shamtaji.
Okay. ZTV or Star?
Star Plus.
Star
Plus. Because I worked on it. I've never worked on ZTV.
Listen, tomorrow if you become Frontline News, don't come and kill me.
ZTV वालों के साथ मैं काम नहीं किया, काम नहीं तो I worked on my last serial was Ishq Baaz on Star Plus. That's why. Fifth.
Your last serial was Ishq Baaz on Star Plus.
Yes.
So you worked with Nakul Mehta.
Yes. I was opposite to him.
One word to describe Nakul.
Hardworking.
मतलब दूसरा कोई एडजेक्टिव याद नहीं आ रहा था तो हार्ड वर्किंग, चलो
But
मतलब
he is, yeah, he gets into the character and all ना. I'm like भाई साहब इतनी मतलब you know वो हो जाता है कॉम्प्लेक्स आता है कि यार you have to buck up, you can't be like, you know, sometimes you just go and you're like, let's just, you know, enjoy the scene and all, and here you see, my god, he's very well prepared, very like he's too good, yeah. बहुत हो जाता है कि मैं तो बड़ी नर्वस हो जाती थी आधा टाइम था, used to forget my dialogue looking at him and I'm like, oh my god, he's so good, हमसे ना हो पाता है.
अच्छा, tell me, who's your favorite Khan?
Who's my favorite Khan?
Correct.
Shahrukh Khan.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie जाने तो ये जाने ना.
Okay. Who's your favorite actress in Bollywood?
Priyanka Chopra.
Your favorite actress in Hollywood?
Anna Hathaway.
Hathaway, no. It's Hathaway. I'm just joking out. I'm just loving this, Yavas.
Listen, I'm very... अच्छा, Zahan Khan.
But last question. Zahan Khan, क्या बोल रहे थे? You were saying Zahan
Khan, who's an actor, who's my co-actor in with Nakul Ishqbaz. He's also here. So I was like, hey. He was like, hey.
Hi, Zahan. And the last question that I have for you. Mumbai or Delhi?
Mumbai.
Correct. बच गया.
I love. I was just born here, but my love is only Mumbai.
दिल्ली में से निकाल दी क्या आपको?
अरे गुड़गांव से हूँ मैं. गुड़गांव दिल्ली से भी नहीं हूँ. I'm not from Delhi. I'm not a Delhi girl. I'm a Gurgaon girl.
You're a Gurgaon girl. अच्छा, तो अभी Gurgaon girl, can I take your permission and open to 2 or 3 questions from the audience?
हाँ जी.
Okay. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप गाना भी बहुत गाते हैं.
नहीं, हम नहीं गाते गाना. अगर आप सुनोगे, you will never call me again and you will never ask me to sing.
Listen, आप तो मतलब मेरे lines मेरे पे use कर रहे हो.
Yeah, I'm very bad with singing, but I'm a good sport.
You're a good sport. Who's your inspiration?
My mama. Yeah, my mom.
How's
she is.
What's for dinner?
See, my mummy is cooking upma for mom and dad, like upma, but everything is cut. And because I don't like upma so much, I'm gonna have Maggie.
Lucky. Who's your celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush? Varun Dhawan, Shahid Kapoor, Farhan Akhtar.
Listen, एक celebrity crush एक होता है यार.
Varun Dhawan, यार. अभी के लिए तो
बाकी सबका क्या होगा अब?
It's okay. Shahid is married. Farhan Akhtar is too busy.
अच्छा, this one is very important because both of you are so interconnected.
Your opinion about Path? He's a sweet guy. I don't go chalte fitte. I don't give opinions about anyone. Yeah, nice guy, very good co-actor. और मजा करते हैं हम. Mirzan Singh, big fan. Oh my god. All my co-actor friends are here. It's weird.
Everyone's caught you on the platform, Baba. You
and I didn't take their names. That's the worst part. They all like co-actor. हमें क्यों नहीं बोला?
Listen. कल आप anyway you are becoming the headline, and now all your actor friends also going to be disappointed. But tell me, if you would be a teacher, which is the subject you would be teaching?
English, for sure, easiest language.
Listen, but आपने तो Hathaway और Hathaway का Hathaway कर दिया.
Listen.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. मैं सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Please don't give a bad review about me. Otherwise,
no, don't worry. I'm a very nice girl. I won't do that to you. It's our first life together. After maybe 2-3 lives.
Huh?
What's my favorite Gujarati dish? It's actually वो कड़ी चावल और आलू प्याज की सब्जी.
Favorite street food?
अरे वो जो सैंडविच मिलता है ना, सादा सैंडविच, I love it. रोड साइड पे जो सैंडविच मिलता है मुंबई में. When are you going back on TV? यार अभी फिलहाल तो I don't know what to say, but I hope and pray I come back soon.
नहीं, right now you can't come on TV because there are no good shows ना, वही तो आपने बताया था.
मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला था. Just look at him, guys. He's trying to take a case.
No,
You have to attack him. You have to tell.
Listen.
Tell to him not to do this to me. Tell to him.
मार डालोगी क्या मुझे? But at this juncture, Neeti, one last question I'm going to take from everyone. Your favorite sitcom to watch? Your favorite sitcom?
Grey's Anatomy.
Really?
Really, I love Grey's. And yeah.
So, do you like Meredith?
Yeah, I love her. I love Alex. Yeah, he's gone now. I'm so sad.
Who's your favorite character?
I don't have any favorite though, because I feel it's not fair to the other people. But I really liked Alex, and I think when he left, I cried as if it just happened to me in real. So yeah.
Now, when you are going to leave that time, all your fans and we are going to cry.
No, no one's going to cry because Parth is going to come, na. So they all are now very excited.
They are very excited. Even I am very excited, yeah.
Yeah.
तो अभी मतलब बस अब हो गया. अब sorry यार, अब जाओ यार.
ठीक है, हम चले जाएंगे. Don't worry.
नहीं, मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. You've been really, सच में आपके बारे में इतना सुना था, but you've been nothing but a sport. You are a lot.
I told you I'm a great sport. Like sport.
बहुत मजा आया सच में. मुझे.
But your Hindi is actually like South Bombay wala Hindi.
सच में. सच्ची क्या?
What's your surname?
My surname is Shah. I'm a Gujarati.
You're also Gujarati. हूँ पर गुजराती हूँ.
तो गुजराती में बात करनी थी ना यार.
हाँ. I mean, a little. I can understand very well though. That's a Guju.
अच्छा. तो अभी the next time we do live, त्यारे गुजराती में बात करीस.
पक्का.
Till then, because you like
learn a little.
because you like Shahrukh and I like Shahrukh, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Okay, ठीक है, done. नहीं, फिर मिलेंगे चलते.
Thank you so much, Neeti. It was a pleasure, privilege, and an honor having you on the IIMN platform. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Yeah. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Take care. Lovely talking to you. And bye, guys. Be safe and stay healthy. Bye.